Hey guys, buckle up because in this video I'm gonna show you an awesome strategy to make money online from an Instagram account step by step professionally with no prior experience. And now let's get started. And the first step, just head over to this awesome website that is Ko-fi.com. Here in this wonderful website you can create landing pages, link in bio to promote any product you like, digital products, physical products, and so on. And what does really matter us in today's video, just scroll all the way to the bottom to reach this section that says memberships. You can also on Ko-fi.com create a membership list or subscription page list. Here your audience would join your membership page waiting for your exclusive content you are providing. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get this traffic and how you can provide this amazing exclusive content that is highly demanded on Instagram shortly in this video. So first of all, just you can sign up for free here in Ko-fi.com by going to this button, sign up free, and here you can enter your credentials, username, email, and password. And here you have two options. Either you can make money on Ko-fi.com as a creator or a fundraiser or support others. So I will select the first option. Now, how are you planning to earn on Ko-fi? So I will select this as a second option, build monthly membership income. Continue. And here you can customize your URL or your page link. So I will keep it as it is. Now, next. And here upload your profile picture of your page or your account here on Ko-fi.com. So next, choose your interests. So I will select some relevant ones like plugin, community, or money, science, tech, and so on. Next, and then you can insert a brief bio of yourself that you can get from AI tools as you like. Next. Okay, yes, I am in. And insert here your verification code. Perfect here. Okay, and here first you've got to connect your page with this payment method like Stripe or PayPal. And now I will try it later. Okay, and here you find your page as you see. So now we can keep this step in this Ko-fi.com aside to proceed to the next step. Just head over to ChatGPT. And here on ChatGPT, for example, for sure you can select any of your niche you like fitness, coaching, health, diet, and so on. And for sure I will give you an awesome niche that is the parenting or the positive parenting. The highly demanded on Instagram and TikTok because many parents or new parents would search for different guides to how they can raise their children properly in their life. So I will give sequence of prompts. I will leave all these prompts down below in the description box and the first comment. So first of all, just you can go to this text. I will take the first one, copy and go back to our ChatGPT and insert this prompt that says give me perfect pieces of advice and tips for positive education or positive parenting as you like for new parents that I can use in my social media post. Make each as a sense but full of wisdom from an expert parenting specialist. So you can click over this button and here you can find a bunch of beautiful pieces of advice and tips and tricks for new parents and for positive parenting as you see. Like listen to understand, not to respond. Your child's feelings matter as much as yours and the like. So now we can go to the second step also here on ChatGPT by going and copy the next prompt. Okay, and here on ChatGPT, insert this prompt. So now give me a powerful call to action to motivate parents to join my paid newsletter for exclusive tips and tricks and step-by-step strategies for positive parenting or positive education with examples, real life examples, to insert this call to action at the end of my social media post. For sure you can tweak it as you like in your style and your tone, but you can take it as basic prompt. So here you can find this amazing call to action that triggers many audience to go to the link where they can join the membership list. And now we can take one of these beautiful tabs to turn into in-depth insight or in detailed post so that you can take it as an exclusive content people are looking for in your page on Ko-fi.com. So you can go to this prompt again and you can go this one for this prompt. Give me an example of to detailing one of the points above. We can take number 4, so we can select one of them like you can number 3 for example. Okay, and enter. And here ChatGPT would give you this point in details with examples, with negotiations, and so on and so forth. So here you can find this amazing points. And for sure, you can ask again to expand it more to be like a blog post to in depth on details in this point as you like, but it's better for you to expand it as a blog post. Okay, so now we just done here this step on ChatGPT. Now it's time to create your video or your post on social media like on Instagram and TikTok. So now we can go and head over to canva.com, and here on Canva just you can go to the search bar and look for something like Instagram Reels. Okay, and select this one, create a blank Instagram Reel. Then it's time now to search for some visuals regarding your topic and your niche. So you can go to Elements section and type something like positive parenting or new parents and something like that, so parenting, or go to videos and here we can take one of them quickly like this one or this one. So I can take this one and you can apply to this video with its dimensions as you see. Okay, and now we can make it short a little bit. Perfect. And we can insert another theme like this one. So I can open a new page like this one and copy and drag and drop this video clip as you see. Perfect. And for sure you can add another one like okay, so now it's time to insert your advice or your wise words. So I can head over back to ChatGPT and take one of these examples like this one, parenting is about progress. So I can take the first part here, copy, and go to canva.com, text, add a heading, okay, and insert your part here. Perfect. And for sure you can customize it a little bit by pull the color or change the font, and go to effects, select this one, background, and you can change its color to be more lines to the theme of your video. Okay, like this one as you see. So this one is in the first scene of your video, and for sure I won't make this text would appear after 3 seconds from the beginning of the video. So you can click over these 3 dots and show element timing, and here you can shift it a little bit like this one as you see. Amazing. Now we can go back again to ChatGPT to take the next part of this sentence. Okay, copy and go to Canva to the next page or the next scene of your video. Text again, text, and here Control V, and you can change this yellow background to another one as you see. For sure it's amazing one as you see. Embrace the journey and grow with your child, and I can make it this one. And for the third scene I would insert the call to actions I have got from ChatGPT to trigger your audience to go to the link where they can join for your membership and exclusive content that discusses this point in depth and with real life examples and much more. So I can go back to ChatGPT and take this call to action here. Okay, so I will take some of them, or you can turn this long call to action to a shorter one as you like. So I will take okay and make it shorter and insert the part of this call to action again here. Amazing. So this video would be like this one. And of course you can customize and edit this video a little bit by inserting some transitions between these pages and these scenes, in other words. Okay, and to spice up your video more in your Instagram theme page, this you can generate a lifelike voiceover from 11laughs.io for free for sure, and then you can apply here under this video and add a music background to add a theme relevant music and feelings to this video and for education and positive parenting. Time now to download this video, and so you can repeat this process again and again for all these pieces of advice that you got from ChatGPT. So you can make your videos here that way on Canva for free with no restriction, or that doesn't cost a dime. Then it's time now to upload all these videos on Instagram daily, so you can keep posting 2 to 3 reels a day to provide some pieces of advice for positive parenting. As you see, encourage people to go to the link in the bio where they can find your page to join your membership to get exclusive content. Okay, so now it's time now to play around there on Ko-fi.com to make your exclusive content. As we said earlier, go to this one, discipline is teaching here. Okay, so I can copy this one and go now to Ko-fi.com again. So now we can go to this one. Firstly, that you can go to create, add membership here, and now we can give it name like silver, gold, tips, tricks, parenting, and so on. So I can make it anything like that, silver. Okay, and the price per month, so you can keep it $5. It's a reasonable one for many people. A benefit like exclusive content, add. Okay, and add another thing like discounts or direct messages. Okay, perfect. As you see, then you can insert here a description of this membership, then save your tier plan. Okay, and now you can go back to your page to make the first exclusive content for your audience and for your members. So you can add something here, and you can select from various formats, like you can go to a blog post, insert here your text result that you got from ChatGPT, as you see. So you can get this one as a title. Perfect. And for sure, I just repeat, just you can expand this one to be longer a little bit. For sure, here you can insert an image to be more elegant. Insert here and feature image, tags relevant keywords like parenting, positive parenting, new parents, and so on. And here, this important part here, audience, this content would be for only everyone, or all supporters, or all monthly supporters or members. So you can make it for members only and publish this content. Publish now, publish it, as you see. So here you can find this content is only available to monthly recurring supporters only. So now we can, if we visit this one as a visitor, so I can go back to your page, and in the link that you would leave in link in bio, this one, Ko-fi.com, and your username. And so I can take this link, for example, copy and open it in another page or another browser, for example. So I would find this exclusive content for only members only. So if I read this one, read more, I will be taken to this tier or this membership that cost me $5 to unlock all these exclusive content to me. And you can insert your message and donate or your monthly subscription, as you see. So it would be opened and you can read it as a visitor. So it's a great way to monetize your Instagram theme page with free tools, with step-by-step strategy, and for sure you provide a great value for this audience that would benefit more from your content. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.